Beyond the vast waters of Lake Santani, beneath the towering Cyclope Mountains, lies a story of civilization, culture, and knowledge that has endured for centuries. But how do communities preserve their identity in an ever-changing world? And how can scientific research walk hand in hand with local wisdom? This is the journey of the Seannet Workshop JAYAPURA 2026.
This is our first time, so you can see that my colleagues are behind. They're coming here for this workshop to understand Papua more, and we are fortunate that we have Bapak Albert to host us, and then with the University Cendrawasih. So over here, we were introduced to the local community, especially the Kampung Sirih, and we'd like to know more about this piece of land, because many of us actually it's our first time to come to this island, even me myself.
The first day brings researchers into Kampung Sirih. This is more than a visit. It is an effort to understand life through the eyes of the indigenous community. Every step through the village, every conversation with community leaders, every message shared by the Undofi, reveals that the history of Papua is not merely written in books. It lives within the people who have protected it for generations. Here, research meets experience, and knowledge meets cultural values. Conversations with local women and community members uncover stories of education, family life, and hopes for future generations. A reminder that sustainable development begins by listening to the voices of the people. The journey continues across the tranquil waters of Lake Santani toward Kampung Asi Besar, a place where history, art, and spirituality converge in a single cultural landscape. The combo bark paintings and the historic Asi Church stand as enduring witnesses to the Santani people's commitment to preserving their ancestral heritage. The journey then leads the team to Kampung Yoboy. Here, the Sago forest is more than a landscape. It is a source of life, an ancestral heritage, and the cultural identity of the Papuan people. Through every stage of sago processing, through the community reading house where children gather to learn, we witness tradition and innovation growing side by side. Local knowledge is not a story confined to the past. It continues to live, to be studied, and to be passed on to the next generation.
So on this trip is day 2, and we visited the Sago villages in Kampung Yoboy, and here we learned about sago harvesting and sago processing, and I think it's very interesting because here sago is the important food over rice, and sago is not just important for their sustenance but also for their culture.
On behalf of Cendrawasih University, SWT Walter Post, Singapore University of Social Sciences, and Seannet, we are going to plant this sago tree as sago is God's gift, and may it become a blessing for Kampung Yoboy and for its ecological sustainability, and also for the security and safety of the world.
Seannet Workshop JAYAPURA 2026 is more than an academic journey. It is a space to learn, to appreciate, and to build meaningful collaboration. Because the future of research is not only about finding answers, it is about understanding people, honoring culture, and growing together with the communities we serve. Seannet Workshop JAYAPURA 2026, where research meets community.